How to start trading crypto being a beginner. Welcome again for another video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and watch the video till the end because you are going to see and I'm going to reveal exactly step-by-step instruction how you can exactly start trading in the cryptocurrency, being a beginner, and finally make significant amount of money. Well, Bitcoin has extremely been popular nowadays. Maybe you have heard it from the news because you cannot just believe your eyes how much it has grown over 6 months. So imagine if you knew what to do, how much money could you earn? That is why exactly this is working like this. Well, first, you buy your cryptocurrency, you do the analysis for the future prediction of the market, and then you make profit. For example, I buy low and I sell high, and I make profit because when I buy low and when I sell high, I make profit because of the range that I have. Now, let's step by step see exactly how you can start your journey in the crypto market. Let's get started.
Well, the first step is to choose your exchange. Basically, the main exchange that we have right now is Binance because it has over 254 million users and the largest trading volumes. We have another exchange like Bybit and others. So all you need to do is to just open your exchange. You click on sign up for registering to this business, to this exchange. So here you just click on sign up here or you click on here. Once you click on that, you can register using your email, your phone number, or your Google account. So here you will just put your email, for instance, and then you click on the agree to terms and condition, you click on next. After you click on that, you will just simply copy and paste the verification code that you will receive in your email. After register, you will have your Binance account like this, where you can simply verify, and after you verify, you will simply see the green button says verify. So how you can verify basically is you just upload your passport or your ID card, which will basically proves that this is exactly your identification. So after you do that, the next step is basically you just buy your cryptocurrency and you make money. So in order to buy cryptocurrency, you click on buy crypto or on deposit. So you just click on buy crypto and you can simply see that you have different options. You can buy using the bank card, as you can just see here, or you can buy using the bank transfer. If you use, for instance, we are using the runs. You can simply see that we have different options where we can deposit or buy the cryptocurrency via bank transfer, Capitec Bank, Netbank, or the bank account. So this is exactly how you register, you verify, and you buy your first cryptocurrency. And this is the only time that you have to focus and follow and buy your first cryptocurrency and finally make more money. Last but not least, how you can secure your cryptocurrency safely. Basically, we have two different types of wallets. We have the hardware wallet and we have the online or hot wallet. Basically, it shows for you guys the best hardware wallet, which is available in terms of USB, is called Ledger. So you need to make sure that you're going for the official website and you can order your physical wallet at home. You can send all of your cryptocurrencies and that would be super safe for you guys. On the other hand, if you're looking for the hot wallet or online, which is available on your computer or on your phone, we have the Trust Wallet, which is one of the leading wallet that you can just download the application. You can simply send all of your cryptocurrencies. You can secure safely, and in just a couple of duration of time, you can significantly earn with the cryptocurrency and you can start being absolutely beginner. Want to know more about making money with the cryptocurrency? Check the beginner course Crypto Investment Successful Start, and you can find it in the link down below. And most importantly, we also share free daily useful information about the cryptocurrency. So if you really want to be keep updated about the crypto news, where it will help you to make significant amount of money, do not forget to subscribe and like our social media, our YouTube, WhatsApp, Telegram, and most importantly, Instagram. Because if you really want to make more money, keep updated with the news and follow to stay updated.